So I sat here to film mainly the video for the continuation of the breast implant surgery, but I'm having such a hard time filming it because the scar didn't come out the way I thought it was going to come out, and I don't know. I'm subconscious about it and I don't know if I want to show it. But I feel like I started already, so if I don't continue on, I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be the point for the first couple videos then, if that's the case, right? So I figured that while I get in the mood of, you know, thinking about if I'm still gonna show you the scar, then I got a package in the mail right here. So I figured I could do an unboxing video of the Ami song collection with Revolve. I ordered 5 items and I'm so excited to show. So yeah, I'll just do that instead for now. So I ordered 5 items from her collection with Revolve, and I got the package on, I think it was on Thursday, and now it's Saturday, and I'm like still haven't opened the package because I wanted to do a try on haul. But I was like, well, maybe I can do an unboxing video and then I can do a try on haul, and then I can do post on the outfits as well. So let's open it. So I came in a regular box, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be like a first impression video. So let's see what we get in the first. I wonder if I think I'm fine. I'll show you as I open. Okay, it says Revolve times happy returns and how to return. And then Revolve. That's the return label. And then they give you, I guess, a little baggie in case you want to return. That's awesome. They make it all nice and easy for you. I'm so excited. I remember I met Ami Song. I actually started following her because she became friends with one of my favorite bloggers. And then I went to see them in Vegas in November. And she was so sweet. She was so nice. She's so gorgeous in person. Like, her pictures do not do her. I mean, she's gorgeous in her pictures as well, but like in person, her skin is like super, like she's like a doll, and she's so beautiful, so sweet, so nice. So when she came out with that collection, I was like, yay girl, yay. So so excited. So let's open the first one. I don't think I need scissors for this. Okay, first one, let's do it. So, and I got some baby blue shorts that are supposed to be high-waisted, and these are so freaking adorable. The color is amazing. I see there's some little threads here in the back, which, with the price tag that these came in with, there shouldn't be like that. I'm gonna show you. I mean, it's no big deal, but at the same time, it's not something you expect from the price tag. So these are high-waisted shorts. Want to see if they come? Let me see if I can find my invoice here because I want to tell you the prices with them too. Oh, it doesn't tell you the prices. Okay, so I can tell you this. For 5 items that I ordered, it was $770 with free shipping. So each item was over $100, and yeah. So these are the shorts right here. So her tag is super cute. It says Song of Style, and then at Song of Style in the back. And I love these. I'm still definitely gonna do a try on haul because I feel like it would be so much fun to show you. So I got the matching crop top to that. Oh, let me see. And I got mine in a size, I got it in a size small, and then I got another items in an extra small because I didn't know exactly how the sizes were gonna be. But whenever a brand has extra small, and then a small, I'm typically a small. But when a brand has an extra small, and then a small, then I always go for the extra small. But some items had extra small, and then some had extra small and then small. So these, I think the smallest one was extra small, so I went for the small. And then in the other items, then I went for the extra small, the ones that had the extra small. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, so this is a top. So this is a small. Oh, I can see that this is gonna be a little big. I'm gonna have to change this already, but this is so cute. See this one, I don't see any threads or anything just hanging out. So this one looks like it's really good quality. Oh, I'm so excited. And then it has the little Summer Style tag, which I probably leave the tag in there forever. Just a reminder. Okay, so next I got a top that I was so freaking in love with, and this I got in a size small. Again, oh, I hope it's not like the other one. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, so this is the top right here. I love tops that are you know, they have the sleeves like up to here, and then like super kind of like clownish sleeves in a way. I love tops like that because you can just wear them with anything, shorts, denim, skirts, anything. They'll look good. Like your top will make your outfit, so anything you put in the bottom would be like, you can wear anything in the bottom. So this is so cute. This is supposed to be tied up here. And this material I really like. Like this one does feel like it's really good quality. So this one, I believe this one was 118 just for the top. All right, next we have, I wasn't very excited about this one because of the color that they had, but then I was when I saw like other bloggers and other people wearing it, I was like, wow, it's so nice. So I figured, well, maybe it'll look different in person. And it does. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, this material feels amazing. So this one I did get in an extra small. So this is the top right here. The sleeves are so freaking cute and so like, oh god, there's thread here again. I don't know, I feel like, I mean, the fabric is amazing with the termination. So cute. And then I got the skirt to that, and I got it in an extra small too, because I figured there's gonna be, the skirt is high-waisted, so anything high-waisted I get, as small as I can get. Well, depends, because sometimes my hips don't fit. But I've always such a hard time trying to find high-waisted stuff because they don't fit me very well. Like if they fit my hips, like my waist would be too big, and if they fit my waist, then they won't go past my hips. That's an issue. So I got this one in an extra small, and this one is just a skirt that's mid-length, and the material on this feels amazing. So good. This feels so good. I'm so excited for this one. I love it. It looks a little bit small, but we'll see. We will see. And that's it. That's all I got from the Amazon collection. It was definitely, I wouldn't call it affordable because affordable is a very broad word. But again, I got 5 pieces for $770 with free shipping. So, I can't wait to do the try on haul and do like actual pictures and show you how they fit and how everything goes. So far I am very happy with my selections and I hope that everything fits. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.